In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your designs on Canva. If you've been creating designs for a while and you're ready to turn that creativity into income, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to move step by step, focusing on the practical things you need to do. And I'll share tips along the way so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters. First, you'll need a Canva account. You can use a free account to get started, but a paid plan will give you more tools and assets. Whichever you choose, make sure you're logged in and that your profile details are complete and professional. This helps build trust if people check out your account. Next, decide what kind of designs you want to sell. Canva has a huge marketplace demand for things like social media templates, planners, worksheets, resumes, logos, and presentation slides. Think about what you're good at and what people actually need. For example, if you're great at clean, modern layouts, social media posts or business presentations might be a smart niche. Focusing on a niche makes it easier to stand out. Now, create your design inside Canva. Always use the correct dimensions for the final use. Instagram posts, A4 documents, presentations, and so on. As you design, keep it simple, customizable, and user-friendly. Leave room for people to change text, swap photos, and adjust colors, because buyers want templates they can adapt to their own brand. Also, avoid using any premium elements you don't have the rights to sell. Stick to content that is safe for commercial use. When your design is ready, organize it. Name your file clearly so it's easy to find later. If you plan to sell it as a digital product on another platform, like an online marketplace or your own website, export it in the format they require. Often, that means sharing a Canva template link inside a PDF or document that buyers can open and edit. Next, set up the place where you'll actually sell. Canva itself has a contributor program and a template marketplace in some regions, and you can also sell templates on external platforms. Wherever you choose, you'll need a clear product listing, a title that explains what the template is for, a description that tells buyers what they get, and preview images that show your design in use. This is where you upload screenshots from Canva and highlight the main benefits. Finally, price your designs based on the value they provide, not just on how long they took to make. Look at similar templates to get a sense of the market. Once everything is live, promote your designs through social media, email, or your portfolio, and keep improving your products based on what sells and the feedback you receive.